Welcome to today's Explainer. We're going to completely reframe how you think about modern manufacturing, and more importantly, show you the exact ladder to the very top.
All right, let's just dive right in and bust an outdated stereotype. Be honest, when I say manufacturing, do you still picture a dead-end blue-collar gig on some dusty factory floor? Yeah, a lot of people do. But if you look at the reality of modern industry, that image, it literally couldn't be further from the truth. We're actually talking about a highly sophisticated, incredibly data-driven environment that massively rewards strategic problem solvers.
In fact, prepare to have your assumptions totally shattered, because reaching the top of this professional ladder can easily command salaries up to $180,000 a year. Seriously, the manufacturing sector, specifically within the discipline of lean manufacturing, is offering just incredible earning potential for folks who know how to climb the ranks and deliver serious value.
To show you exactly how to get there, we'll level up step by step. We're going to cover what lean manufacturing actually is, the foundational roles of technicians and specialists, how block belts act as the accelerator, reaching the executive summit, and finally, the tech-driven future.
All right, Section 1. What is lean manufacturing? Redefining operational excellence. So, at its core, lean manufacturing is a systematic approach to maximizing customer value while minimizing waste, all by continuously improving processes. But what's really fascinating here is that lean isn't just about making things move faster on an assembly line. Actually, scratch that, it's way bigger than that. It's a highly sophisticated management system used everywhere, from aerospace engineering to your local hospital to global logistics. It's basically the ultimate tool for delivering greater value with way fewer resources. Just look at the scope of what a lean professional actually does on a day-to-day basis. You've got continuous improvement, or Kaizen, which literally translates to change for the better, value stream mapping, waste elimination, standardized work, root cause analysis, and tracking performance metrics. The crucial takeaway here is that mastering these core competencies is exactly what allows you to deliver massive financial value to your organization. You're not just an employee, you're the architect of business efficiency.
Moving right along to Section 2, the foundation, technicians and specialists, getting your boots on the ground. This is where we see the entry points. As a continuous improvement technician, you're focusing on process observation and data collection, pulling in anywhere from $55,000 to $80,000. Not a bad start, right? But then, when you step up to a lean manufacturing specialist, your responsibilities shift. Now you're actively running those Kaizen events and training employees. The financial reward for this level up is crystal clear. Simply moving from observing data to actively running the show bumps you into a six-figure earning potential, capping right around $100,000.
Which brings us to Section 3, the accelerator, black belts, mastering the process. Notice the big shift happening here. Tactical execution is all about gathering data on the floor and tracking those daily performance metrics. But strategic leadership, that's a whole different ballgame. That requires statistical analysis, deep root cause investigations, and coaching entire cross-functional teams. This is absolutely where the magic happens. You stop just pointing out the waste, and you start designing the enterprise-wide systems that permanently eliminate it.
Now, if you want to command those black belt salaries, which sit comfortably between $90,000 and $135,000, this is your exact sequence of educational power-ups. You start with an associate degree or a technical certificate. Next, you earn your Lean Six Sigma Green Belt. And yes, they actually use a martial arts belt system for manufacturing efficiency, which is pretty awesome. From there, you conquer the black belt and eventually aim for a master black belt or a project management professional credential. It's a clear, actionable roadmap to just massively increasing your value.
All right, time for Section 4, the summit, executive leadership, the corporate boardroom.
As our source material puts it, directors of continuous improvement provide executive leadership for lean initiatives across multiple facilities or business units. So, at this executive tier, where salaries range from $120 to $180,000, you are way past fixing a single process. You're managing massive corporate strategies, you're overseeing multi-site global transformations, and you're working directly with the C-suite to shape the long-term financial health of the entire company. And the demand for this level of leadership, it is staggering. It's not just manufacturing facilities anymore. We're talking healthcare organizations, huge logistics hubs, and distribution centers. Because these skills make you absolutely indispensable across multiple massive industries, they open up incredibly lucrative consulting and entrepreneurial opportunities.
If you master lean, you can literally write your own ticket in almost any sector of the global economy. It's a real game changer. Finally, let's look at Section 5, the tech-driven future, integrating Industry 4.0.
So how do you future-proof this incredible career path? Well, we're currently witnessing a massive technological shift in the skilled trades. I mean, we're talking about artificial intelligence, the industrial Internet of Things, digital twins, real-time dashboards, and machine learning. Those old-school clipboards and stopwatches, yeah, they're gone. They've been completely replaced by digital workflows and predictive algorithms. You are now combining hardcore engineering principles with cutting-edge tech to create a culture of continuous improvement.
Just look at what AI is actively doing to lean efficiency right now. It's identifying production bottlenecks, predicting equipment failures long before they actually happen, optimizing inventory levels, and completely automating performance reporting. Combining this traditional lean expertise with advanced AI tools makes you the ultimate, highly paid problem solver of the future. The AI provides the incredible analytical horsepower, sure, but organizations still desperately need human leadership and strategic decision-making to actually implement those sustainable improvements. So, we've seen how a career in lean manufacturing can take you from the production floor all the way to the executive boardroom, backed by massive earning potential and cutting-edge technology. The only question left is, where do you see yourself on this ladder? And are you ready to take that very first step to build your legacy?